In today's video, we're going to evaluate a numerical expression to help us find a sequence of numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says find the first four terms of the sequence defined by the equation below, y represents the position of the terms in the sequence. Start with y equals 1. So we're going to work on the first position, okay? So step 1, start with y equals 1 and plug 1 in for y. So it looks like this. When y equals 1, we put a 1 in here for y, and then we just multiply it out. Multiply and do the arithmetic, okay? So negative 2 times 1 gives us negative 2, and then minus 8 gives us negative 10. And if you need help on integers and multiplication, check out the description. I have videos there that'll help you with that in detail. So this is the first term in the sequence. We've calculated the first term. Step 2. Now we set y equals 2 and plug 2 in for y. So now for y equals 2, we put in 2 in for y. Minus 2 times 2 minus 8. So we know minus 2 times 2 equals negative 4. And then we subtract 8, which gives us negative 12. And this is the second term in the sequence. Okay? Now we just keep going. We set y equal to 3 and plug 3 in for y. So let's see how that looks. Looks like this. Negative 2 times 3 minus 8. So negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Minus 8 equals negative 14. So this is the third term in the sequence. So now we set y equals to 4 and plug 4 in for y. And it looks like this. Negative 2 times 4 minus 8. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Minus 8 equals negative 16. This is the fourth term in the sequence. So the first four terms in the sequence are negative 10, negative 12, negative 14, and negative 16. We calculated them right here. Okay? And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. And like I said, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are similar, and if you need extra detail. As well, you can also download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.